Yes, you know why the president was not able to attend today?
Well, it's only natural for the doctors to tell him to take a week rest. You know, last year I also had diverticulitis. I had it twice, December of 24 and January of 2025. Masakit yun. And I had downtime of a week for each episode at that time.
Pero anong
So now I'm fully recovered, and I think in the next few weeks the president will be fully recovered.
anong advice sa kanya, yung latest advice sa kanya ng Dr. Imus?
Konti pahinga lang. Just like any other normal individual.
Wala mo ng public
I'm sure pag
engagement.
kayo pumunta sa doktor at masakitan sa inyo, sasabihin sa inyo, mag-rest din kayo ng 1 week.
Wala mo ng public engagement, yes.
I think meron pa rin siya. If I'm not mistaken, yeah.
Yes, later sa dawning of front kay General natin si President ng Pagdili.
Supposed to be, but I'm not sure kung matutuloy yun.
But there's nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Kung hindi matuloy yun, it has nothing to do with the president's health. It is only, but I think it's ready for that. If at all, baka meron pang konting gusot between the General Torre or something to that effect.
Pero yes, ang sabi ng doktor niya, sabi rin naman ni Yusay Castro, ang hinay-hinay ang presidente at nagpahinga.
Yeah, precisely.
Pero apparently, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
private meetings pa rin.
There are everyday private meetings and he's taking time out now to sign all documents.
Yes, napag-uusapan din yung anti-dynasty bill. Ang sabi ng COMELEC, kinakailangan maipasa yun bago yung filing of candidacy ng 2027.
Yes,
So, anong
of
gagawin
course.
natin doon?
Well, pinag-aaralan ngayon yan ng both House Senate at ng Office of the President. So tignan natin.
Makakaabot
Pero
yan?
priority yan.
Palagay niya makakaabot. Yes.
Palagay ko, basta hindi masyado extreme, the idea is to move the needle, so to speak. Dapat may mapasa tayong version ng anti-political dynasty. Okay, thank you.